All right, welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Hopefully, everything is wonderful. So, it is Jamaica 0, France 0, France 0, Jamaica 0. Historic moment for the Reggae Girls as they secure the first ever point in a World Cup game. But let's look at the positives, look at the negatives also. Big matchup. So, let's get to the details. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, this is the match reaction and backkeeper. I don't know why. I don't know why I said that. Anyway, so I have a lot of notes here, people. I'm gonna run through the notes them. So you guys can show me and talk about. Let's get a bit of understanding of what happened. And they say if we're on the same page on this thing. Alright, so game kick off. Pretty good lineup, I would say. Don't know. I'm not gonna complain about lineup. I'm not really like doing that. Stop doing something there. Complain about lineup. That makes sense because the team done out there already. Alright. As the game started off, I realized that they were extra physical with Bunny Shaw. Really, really physical Bunny Shaw. Maybe trying to get Bunny Shaw out of the game as fast as possible. A lot of fouls on Bunny Shaw. Referee did not really control that. I do think that referee would have done a lot better with the over consistent fouling of Bunny Shaw. Fortunately, we're in a smaller nation, but I say go. Oh, despite we being a smaller nation, we had the biggest support in the stadium. You can clearly hear that there was a lot of celebration, a lot of cheering for the Reggae Girls. That's surprising because I don't think that we have that amount of persons in the stands, but we're getting a lot of support. The commentators, jeez, biased, really, really biased. Now I complain about them, but I've got to start put me simple on mute when I listen to them. Very, very aggressive first half. Overly aggressive, I would say, but I expect that in women football. If you know women football, watch women football. There's no such thing as a 50-50 in women football. It's either 100 or you get knocked out. Because some see that from years. From years watching women football. Then they ease up. They go straight in, collide with each other, boom. And so that's why most of the time women tend to pick up a lot more serious injury than men. If you check the record, you'd see that. Alright, so solid defensive shape, I would say, from the first half. Really, really good defensive shape. I do think that France, despite they have a better team, despite they had a lot of possession, they did not create any serious chance in the first half. Any chance to say that, boy, Drew Spence have to come up real, real big. Not Drew Spence, Spencer had to come up real, real big. But good first half. We look well organized, which is when you talk about a Jamaican team that's not really a word they use a lot, but we look well organized, get back in defensive shape. It was clear the game plan was to keep it tight, keep it close, hit Bunny Shaw on the counter, and try to see if we can get something from her. Unfortunately, the France team, they pressed extremely well and retrieved the ball as soon as we played, they retrieved the ball. Let me see. It was evident that France was a better ball playing team. They moved the ball slick, very, very slick, smooth, and getting inside the dangerous area. They call it the zone 14. Fortunately for us, they did not really connect the final pass or the final dot. And even though they got off a few shots, they did not really. It wasn't really threatening. The centre backs were marking when shot extremely close. They figured out maybe after about 25 minutes, they figured out exactly what we're trying to do. So they keep extremely close to Bunny Shaw and trying to limit her touches in the game. And you can see that there was a tussle between Bunny Shaw at one point. Bunny Shaw is up in the number 3. Big player. Really big player. When Bunny Shaw and the number 3 collided, I saw Bunny Shaw went down to ground. And let me tell people, Bunny Shaw is not small. She's huge. When you see Bunny Shaw hitting someone and go down, you must know that the size of that player. I do think that France finishing was a bit poor. In the second half, they got one or two clear opportunities. Let me see. They got one or two clear opportunities. No. I won't say clear opportunities, but I do think that the half chances they were miss kicking and all these things. So I do think that despite all of that, they really, really tried. I love the aspect of our defensive unit. Our defenders were onto everything. We're trying to play the ball out from the back. Not fast enough, I would say. Really good pressing from France. They retrieve the ball extremely quick. Really, really quick. But that's how football is sometimes. Find it very difficult. Let's see. On the 72nd minute, Bunny Shaw, oh yeah, just read that. Mm, good. Play game management now. On the 77 minute, I saw Donaldson telling the players to calm down and trying to manage the game as best as possible. So that was a good thing to see. That he started to manage the game so early out. You saw Bunishaw going down 1 and 2 times for an extended time period. Maybe the referee got frustrated with Bunishaw where the yellow card is concerned. Where the second yellow card was concerned, why he ended up getting a red card. 87 minute, header, clear header. Clear header from the France. Big chance, I would say. They got a corner and get a clear header, went over the bar. 89th minute, they also hit the bar as well from across. They hit the ball as well from across. And that was another clear chance for them. A bit of luck on our side where that is concerned, but sometimes that is football. They need luck. Let me move because I don't know why. Let me move. Let me move because I don't know why this thing a spin so. Because there's a high man. Good. Yeah. Turn back to you. People, I do apologize for the lack of updates. As you guys can know, I'm not there yet, people. I'm not there yet, so I do apologize for that. Alright, so let's get back on our way. See that rough. 92 minutes now, that's when Bunishaw pick up the red card. What does that mean for us? She's going to miss the Panama game, and I do think that I would want to have Bunishaw for that game, because if we try to get the 3 points, I do think that that game would be the game that would definitely push 100% to get that 3 points. Draw against Brazil, draw against France, 3 points at Panama, that's 5 points, and we'll see where that can take us. But nothing is set in stone. Nothing at all is set in stone. But it's a it's a huge miss for us. I do think that where players concerned, better players for us, I do think that the centre back Sweeb was quite good. She was very solid. I do think that Spencer goal was extremely good. It was really good. I do think overall it was a good performance, a really good performance, solid defensive unit performance from the Reggae Boyz. From the Reggae Girlz. Try to keep it as close as possible. They tried to nick it when they needed to. Fortunately, it didn't do it. They didn't get to nick it. I realized I got a phone problem because my move. I'm still like the same. They tried to nick it, but unfortunately, didn't get to nick it. But performance-wise, I love that performance. Big historic points for the Reggae Girlz. Let's see if we can build on this and see what we can do. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Well done to the Reggae Girlz. Big up, massive respect to the work that you guys went out there and did. I'm back in Jamaica tomorrow, so you know, regular updates, more videos will be dropping. Big up, people, and watch alongs will be. I would be able to do watch alongs at that one time. Unfortunately, couldn't do it anymore. Big up, people. MG Sports TV, and we are out. Well done, Reggae Girlz.